Welcome on board Kunal Parar and ask him about what he's making of the market right now. Kunal, hi, morning. Good to be speaking with you. What's your sense about where the Nifty versus the mid and small caps are positioned and what's looking like a good trade?
Well, good morning. And if we talk about Nifty is looking very good at present level. Right now in pre-opening, it is trading somewhere around 24,645. And better part is that since last 4 days, Nifty has been sustaining above this 24,600 level because in this range, it was trading for more than 4 to 5 months. So this is like a good part that Nifty is trying to sustain above this level. If we talk about upper side level, then first level comes at 25,000, and if we talk about strong support, then strong support comes at 24,400. So overall picture looks very attractive at present level. And if you talk about mid cap and small cap already has made its a lifetime high. So we are waiting on Nifty's front where it will hit its lifetime high. Mid cap and small cap looks very attractive at present level, and the stock specific recommendation would be there. Stock specific focus must be there related to mid cap and small cap. And from my side, two stocks are there. First stock is Tata Power from large cap, right now trading at 383. Looks very attractive at present level. One can get into the stock, but the strict stop loss of 367. If we talk about target wise, first target comes at 395, and if stock break this level, then further upside would be there even up to the level of 415. And second stock is Pidilite, right now trading at 1665. One can keep SL at 1600. The way stock is trading on its daily chart, further northward direction would be there, march towards would be there up to the level of 1715. And if stock break this level, then further upside would be there up to the level of 1800. So from my side, it's a Tata Power and Pidilite for long side.
Okay, quite interesting. Tata Power, Pidilite, those are the two stock ideas coming in from Kunal. But there's two new companies which are set to debut on the street as well today. Both are complete fresh issues. Electrical and power electronics equipment manufacturer MV Electrosystems, which was oversubscribed about 190 times, while Juniper Green was subscribed about 8 times. Snehi is here to tell us what exactly is the grey market premium looking like, if there is one, and how important are these two new listings, Snehi?
Well, absolutely. So two new kids on the block today, about to be listed in a very short time from now. Both of them complete fresh issues, no offer for sale component in both of these names. First, let's start by talking about MV Electro Systems. A little bit about the company. It's a technology-driven manufacturer of electrical and power electronics equipment for railway rolling stock. In terms of what the price is, the issue price is 425 rupees per share, fresh issue of 290 crore rupees. The total IPO size is also, of course, 290 crore rupees because it's entirely fresh issue. Very strong subscription details for this one. QIBs have subscribed 90.5 times, NII 395 times. The retail subscription over here is also very strong at 205 times, taking the total oversubscription to close to 189 times. Let's talk about Juniper Green Energy. It's a leading renewable energy independent power producer engaged in development, building and operating and maintaining utility scale renewable energy projects. In terms of the price band, this IPO's price band is 225 rupees per share, entire fresh issue of 1800 crores, lot size of 66 shares and the market value of 12,800 crores. That's the estimated value post listing. Strong subscription, oversubscription rather over here of 8 times. Retail component has been undersubscribed slightly, but NII's and QIB subscription looks strong. So watch out for both of these listings today.
Okay, thank you so much for that, Snehi. That's the take coming in with regard to the new listings. I'm going to quickly start marking out names which are starting to buzz, at least, of course, pre-open rates. But we're seeing some good stock price action. You're seeing Newland Labs up 9% in pre-open, some very strong moves. Navin Fluorine, as expected, 4.5% higher on the back of the numbers, even though I was reading a note this morning where Citi has a sell rating on Navin Fluorine, given the kind of moves we've seen, despite the kind of results we've seen. Beg your pardon. PB Fintech is up 2.25%. You're seeing good action on all cargo logistics as well. JK Lakshmi Cement up 1.5% odd. Iron Exchange is the one which is down 6.5%. Cummins India 5% lower. Pace Digitech, Cohance are just some of the other names. Kunal, I wonder if capital goods is a space that you're liking and whether there are any stocks which you're liking within that pack. Kunal Parar, I beg your pardon.
Sorry, I didn't get your question. Can you
Capital
please repeat
goods,
it?
Kunal, is there a view there that you have and any favorites within that pack?
Recently we have seen a very good upside momentum and very good momentum in this capital good front, and not many stocks are there from the capital good sector, but yeah, one stock is there which looks very attractive to me. It's BHEL Bill. Stock has already given stock has already given its breakout, and right now trading in its uncharted territory, trading at 410 level. Trading about 200 and 100 is moving average. Not only this, stock is trading in some rising channel formation as well. So all the technical parameters looks very attractive at present level. Now, if we talk about level wise, one can get into the stock at present level with the strict stop loss of 395. Now, if we talk about target wise, first target would be there at 422, and if stock break this level, then further northward direction would be there even up to the level of 445. So from capital goods, I think they looks very attractive, and yeah, it gives some kind of confidence after looking at daily chart.
Right, okay, just 2.5 minutes left to go before we ring the opening bell for today. Let me just check in on what Hindalco is up to and whether Novelis' performance ahead of Hindalco's own numbers tomorrow. Just marginally higher for Hindalco as we speak. What about Hindustan Zinc? That's the silver play in effect. In the last 2 days, you've seen a material move in Hindustan Zinc. And today as well, it seems like it's headed higher. 600 plus levels is what the pre-open price is indicating. PB Fintech, Biocon, Newland, Navin Fluorine, these should all be seeing some earnings reactions play by. 3% higher for PB Fintech, Biocon up 0.6%. Navin Fluorine is seeing a bigger jump up, about 4.5% higher for this one. And then Auto Pharma, I want to check in on that names as well. The numbers have been good, about 0.7% higher for Auto Pharma as we speak right now. Other than that, earnings reaction for Cummins as well. The margins are at the lowest levels in about 10 quarters. This Power Grid as well, a weaker set of numbers, what they've delivered. Cohance, Imfa, Eclerx, GNFC, JK Lakshmi Cement, all these earnings have disappointed in terms of where they stand as opposed to what the market was anticipating. Just want to check in on Kolte Patil as well. 6 society redevelopment projects in Mumbai, a GDV of 6,000 crore rupees. That stock jumps up about 2.5% in trade as well. So that's pretty much it in terms of a market texture. Look out for whether there is a continuation on some amount of weakness for IT, or does that trade really get reversed today? And then other than that, what happens to private banks? Kunal was making the point about PSBs actually coming to the fore while private banks and the underperformance there continues. So let's see whether PSUs take any lead. Yesterday, of course, it was SBI, which was charged up a good 1.6% in trade. 20 seconds left to go before we actually ring the opening bell for the day. And it's a good sign given that, still a lot of back and forth happening on the Hormuz deal, but you're not seeing any wild reactions come in on Brent. It is volatile, but still the upside at least seems capped. We're no way close to what we were just about a fortnight back, which was touching that $90 per barrel level. Still very much under 80 is where we're currently at. The opening bell then this morning, the Nifty starts off absolutely flat for itself. In any case, it's the SMIDs which have been outperforming what the benchmarks have been doing. And maybe today as well is really the same case too. Let's check in on what the mid and the small cap indexes are up to. To the sectoral composition of the markets, and let's see what the various sectoral indexes are currently doing in trade. You'll have the Nifty metals, IT, banks, etc. just come up for you. And autos, they're actually taking a bit of a breather today, led by realty as well as oil and gas. IT still holding out, chemicals, pharma, defense to some degree. Actually, it's the quietest of starts. To think of it, your top index gainer and your top index loser are within that, sub 1% kind of band. So it's a very, very sedate start that you're seeing. Hindalco, what is that up to? And then Auto Pharma and Biocon, these should be the big movers today. Let's see how they are reacting to their numbers, led by PB Fintech, wherein the insurance premium has seen a growth of 41%. Auto Pharma starts off just absolutely flat in trade, 1% higher for PB Fintech. Biocon is the other one which will come up for you on your screens. And then, of course, Many others like a Newland Labs as well. Strong numbers, solid margin expansion. But again, the long-term CDMO partnership with Gland as well is a big positive, 7% higher for Newland as we speak right now in trade. Kolte Patil, let's see what that stock is up to. Aster DM also came out with its numbers. There's Power Grid as well. The numbers have come in below estimates. Cummins, wherein the margins are at the lowest levels in about 10 quarters. The MD has resigned. Cohance came out with a weakish set of numbers. JK Lakshmi was a disappointing set, as was the case with GNFC as well, wherein the numbers fell short of market expectations and the EBITDA saw a downtick of about 18.5%. But that's not the way the stock is headed. It's higher by a good 4% as we speak right now. Other than that, this Godrej Agrovet as well. It's a weak Q1 for them, so let's check in on what that stock is up to. And then United Spirits has been on our radar after the FSSAI flagging of certain whiskey products over non-compliant labels at a third-party facility in Madhya Pradesh, though it's a very local issue. But yeah, maybe some sentimental move there, not quiet, just absolutely quiet or flat for United Spirits as we speak right now. Sterlite Technologies has won a 3-year international supply agreement worth about $210 million for optical fiber cables. So look out for what that stock as well does. And Vari Renewables as well has bagged an order. So look out for what that stock as well is going to be doing in trade. But Kunal, curious to know, how is it that you think the rest of the day is going to pan out while the index has started off very, very flat?
Well, no doubt it's trading at flat level, but yeah, one thing is there which we were waiting for long is that Nifty is trading about 24,600 now. More couple of session above this level, then northward March would be there up to the level of 25,000 level. And one thing is that which looks very attractive and which looks very confidence is that large cap stocks are gradually taking part in this rally, as we have already seen in mid cap and small cap part. So definitely nothing to worry about this part. Means all the large cap stocks are performing very well. So let's wait for the time being, and yeah, I think August would be the perfect one for Nifty, and even we may see some good upside momentum in this August itself.
Kunal, stock ideas to trade today?
Well, we have already discussed about Tata Power and Pidilite, but one stock is there which looks very attractive at present level from IT counters, and it's LTM right now trading at 4,568 level, up by 1.5%. Now, this looks very attractive because daily chart looks very attractive at present level. Stock is trading above its 50 plus 100 days moving average, and recently stock has also given a breakout of its 4,350 level. So all the picture looks very attractive at present level. One can get into the stock at present level with strict stop loss of 4,500. If we talk about upper side momentum, then first target comes at 4,700, and if stock break this level, then yeah, further upside would be there even up to the level of 4,800.
Okay, Kunal, great to have you in the studios. We'll let you go on that note. Let me